Instagram's quiet mode is a feature that allows users to mute push notifications for a set amount of time. This feature is designed to help users disconnect and unwind without the constant distractions of notifications. Users can enable quiet mode by going to the Settings menu in the Instagram app, selecting Notifications, and then selecting Quiet mode. Once quiet mode is turned on, users can set a designated time for themselves to disconnect from notifications. The feature can be set for a specific time, such as 30 minutes or 1 hour, or for a longer period, such as until the next morning. Quiet mode mutes push notifications for direct messages, comments, and story notifications. Users will still be able to receive notifications for phone calls and text messages, as well as notifications from other apps on their device. Once the designated time period has ended, quiet mode will automatically turn off and notifications will resume as normal. Users can also manually turn off quiet mode at any time by going back to the Settings menu and disabling the feature. Instagram's quiet mode is a useful feature for anyone who wants to take a break from the constant distractions of notifications, and it can help to create a more peaceful and relaxing experience on the app. Another benefit of Instagram's quiet mode is that it can help users to focus on the present moment and be more mindful of their social media usage. It can prevent users from getting caught in the endless scroll and allow them to be more intentional with their time on the app. Additionally, quiet mode can also be beneficial for users who have a tendency to check their phone too frequently. It can help them to break the habit of constantly checking for new notifications and reduce the amount of time they spend on the app. It's worth noting that quiet mode can also be helpful for people who are trying to disconnect from social media for a while. They can use the feature to silence notifications and make it less tempting to check the app while they take a break. In conclusion, Instagram's quiet mode is a useful feature that can help users to disconnect from the constant distractions of notifications, focus on the present moment, and be more mindful of their social media usage. It can also be helpful for users who want to reduce their phone usage and take a break from social media.
If you enjoyed this video, then hit the like button, share the video, and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.